What's up guys, it's Luis back at it with another unboxing. This time I'll be unboxing another Nike box. Um, Let me see. There we go. We got Nike SB box, as you can see. Got receipt for your receipt police. Box, throw that shit away. So basically, as you can see, regular Nike SB box. There's nothing to say, or just all Tiffany color. On top, Nike, some branding over here. Nike SB branding there. Nothing on this side, but some words. Let's get right into it. So you got Stefan Janoski Max L. Size 10. Hyper Jade, white. Brown, yellow, pink, or something like that. This is the brand, and this is what you need to know. $110. Supposedly it was marked. I don't know what the hell is this, like a Sharpie. Anyways, there you got your paper, like always. Oh, there we go. You can see. You got Janoski Max. L stands for leather. I guess this is leather. With feels like suede. Anyways, that's not even leather. Alright, so you got your midsole all white. Your inside of the air unit is yellow, like turquoise colorway. A white swoosh, white laces, regular, flat laces. Nothing special on the lace tips. Inside, you got a yellow insole with a pink Nike SB Air. Take the insole, show you guys. All of it is yellow, dark yellow, mustard yellow. Inside with that hard thing. And you got suede here, like always. I always put suede on this side and stop right here. And then you know how it goes. They're regular things. Basically the same shoe as always. That's just Stefan Janoski Max. Nothing new. Supposedly it's all leather, suede, whatever you want to say. New buck. Feels okay. The top, there you go, with that pink thing. Yeah, basic shoe. I'll take out the other one. Pretty nice. It's almost like this color, almost. Just a little bit darker. I like it. Something new. There we go. Both of them looking the same, looking alright, looking fine. Let's do a 360 so you guys can watch, look at it. You guys are interested, want to know how it looks. All 360. There you go. Whatever. Basically a good looking shoe. You can't go wrong with the Stefan Janoski Max. They're pretty comfortable. This Max thing is really nice. Thank you guys for so much support. Thank you for liking the videos, commenting, and sharing. Appreciate everything. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like the video, share if you could. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.